Well, here we go. My name's Pete, and this is PJE Engineering. Backstory time. I own an automotive engineering company. We fix everything from daily ship boxes all the way up to custom work, performance work, gearbox conversions, engine conversions, turbos, all the fun stuff as well. Got lots of our own project cars. We've got an on-site coffee shop. We've got clothing brand we run alongside the engineering. Company's been running a few years now. Recently moved into a new unit. We thought, let's expand, let's go for it, let's go big. Wanted to create a really cool central hub where we could run everything from, inspired by the likes of the early day Hoonigans and drift games and stuff like that. So took on a nice big unit and we're starting to build it up slowly but surely. Got some artwork going on and stuff. So going to be a really, really cool space. So what's the channel going to be? What should you expect if you subscribe? The channel is going to follow our project cars and our adventures with cars, basically. You're going to see Kaylee, who's got little to no experience working on cars, try and build her first project car. You're going to see me attempt to make a Nissan Stager as fast as I can. You're going to see us start to delve into some American stuff. We're going to do some road trip, test some tools out. We're going to do some gadgets, review some bits and pieces and stuff like that. We'll try out some new product. We're trying to get a few videos out. We're running multiple businesses here, so there's a lot going on, but we're going to try and make some content and get it out there. Anything interesting or fun that's going on, we'll have the camera rolling and put together some videos for you all. As you can see, we've just moved into this unit. We've got loads of cool stuff going on. And over the next few months, you're going to see project cars, you're going to see workshop builds, maybe even some cool road trip. Anything automotive, we're going to explore it. We're just going to bring you along for the journey of setting up our new automotive hub. All right, that's enough waffling for an introduction video. You get the idea. Next video, we'll do a walk around of all the cars, show you what's going on with each of them, which ones are broken, which ones aren't broken, what projects are coming up on all of them. That'd be a cool video. So yeah, do stick around for that. If you've made it this far through the video, appreciate it. Let's go.